Welcome to another video of cooking. Today we're making tomato egg curry. It's going to be delicious. Stay tuned until end.
I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. Try so much to get back at something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the gun, I'll just pretend like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming.
Now it's done. Now serve. Try this recipe once. Consider subscribe. Thanks for watching.